Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Daniel Popa Crypto. So this is a channel about crypto, from trading, from mining and from holding. And I want to show you today the results I got these days on GoMining and how you can make money from home without having ASIC miner in your home to mine Bitcoin, to mine blocks. So this is my channel, please go and subscribe. Here on my GoMining account, we have 121 terahash with the biggest miner of 90 terahash. What I want to show you is how you can go and buy just 1 terahash and get some good results. You have here, if you want to create a miner 1 terahash with $22 with a return of investment of 37%. The return of investment is on $80,000 Bitcoin price, but this is going to be back. What I want from GoMining now is to upgrade my power at 500 terahash at the final of this year. So in December, we will see the GoMining token going up with Bitcoin 2, and I will go in marketplace and see the price from these miners today. If we go and filter this energy efficiency and power with 15 watts and total power from 10 to 100, lowest price per terahash, we'll see this miner with 69 terahash at $926 per terahash at 15 watts. The price from the miner I showed you earlier, it's with 12 watts per terahash. So keep this in mind because you will have less energy in price. You can check my description and go to GoMining, and this is my referral code you have on the screen, and the link in the description. You can go and get up to 5% in terahash at your first miner if you want to go now. And the second advantage, if you go by my link, it's you get $20 in terahash for first $100 if you spend with the card, and 1 month of Platinum Plus. So you can get this and go to create a miner, and on your $100 for 4 and 8 terahash you get 5% more terahash. So it's a good offer. What I want to have, it's what I want to buy this year, it's 256 terahash that can produce monthly in Bitcoin $74, and the price is 4,357 euro. The return of investment is low because the price of Bitcoin is low, but if this miner will mine up at $100, the return of investment is it's 52%, so worth it. This is the best application that you can have terahash and mine Bitcoin without have one single one in your home. If you like this app, to try it. My rewards in USD for today, it's almost 80 cents, and my dashboard look like we have $168 total rewards from my investment in power. And in the same time, I want to go with 500 terahash and buy some GoMining to lock, because this option is very good. You can go here and buy by card, but if you want to lock some GoMining, you can calculate here. If you want to lock let's say 15,000 GoMining for the 4 years, you will have 20%, with a weekly of almost 60 Go mining tokens. Why is this important? Because if I want to lock this 15,000 and I will have this return, we can go here to my miners and rewards and go in Go mining to see the electricity. It's 7 Go mining and service is 3.59 Go mining token per day. With that Go mining on every week, I can pay because I lock my Go mining. So I lock my money and the electricity and service are paid by rewards and I get full Bitcoin in my wallet. So it's the best app you can go today and invest some money to get some power in Terahash. But please go and check by yourself. Don't trust me because I do what I want. You the same. Please subscribe on my channel and share these videos. We have 4 videos about Go mining. Go check them and some shorts. And I will try to post more every day, at least 1 short per day to stay connected with you guys. So thank you for watching. Check the description and see you in the next one.